Hey guys, Ben here with Wrench Benders. I recently installed a full Vixen Air ride system on my truck. My entire air management system is all Vixen. I've got dual compressors, I've got dual water traps, I've got dual 5-gallon tanks, I've got the 8-valve Vixen Air manifold with the switch pendant, and I've got Vixen gauges, both single and dual needle, so I can help keep track of how much air is in my supply tanks and in my airbag. And the full system performed flawlessly on a 500-mile road trip that I took right after putting the system in. Oh, and did I mention I have a horn? So let's take a look at the system. I'll show you everything I got. On the dash, we have the gauges. There's my single needle and my dual needle. This is my main supply to let you know how much air is in my supply tanks. This right here helps me keep track of how much air is in each set of rear bags. I can let air out and put air back in, and if I do one bag more than the other, the dual needles helps me keep up with both sides of the truck. And so I can actually change, or I can balance things out, and it lets me know where I need to be on pressure all the time. Now it's slow going down because I have 4 airbags on the rear axle. Just gotta let all the air of them airbags out. And the reason I've got 4 airbags is because, well, this is a flatbed truck and it's gonna haul a few things, namely a motorcycle here in the next few days. But when I go to give it the air, it comes back up pretty quick because we've got plenty of pressure in the tanks. So if you guys need anything from airbags to controllers to compressors, tanks, gauges, Vixen's got it. They have got everything you need to build your complete suspension system for your air ride vehicle.